Welcome back to this Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Pika Labs in Discord. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Discord, click on the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding Pika Labs to your Discord server can offer several benefits because Pika Labs can help automate moderation tasks such as filtering inappropriate content, managing user roles, and handling reports. The bot can help prevent spam by automatically detecting and removing spam messages or users. Of course, Pika Labs can provide interactive commands that make the server more engaging and fun for members. Now, there are multiple ways for you to join or add Pika Labs in Discord. You can do this in your mobile device, just open the Discord app. But if you're using the Discord for Windows or Discord in the web browser, I need you to click on the following options. Number one is click on the add server. You can, of course, click on the join a server. If you happen to know the invite link for the Pika Labs, just type it in and click on join server. But if you don't have that, click on the don't have an invite, because from here you can explore communities and all we have to do is type in Pika Labs. Enter search. Now one of the best. Now what will happen is you would be forwarded here to the Pika network. You have been invited by the 120,000 plus members. All I have to do is click the join Pika network. And from here you would be able to have the customizable settings that allow server admins to tailor the bot's behavior to fit the specific needs of their community. But please be mindful that integrating Pika Labs into your Discord server can enhance moderation, engagement, and overall user experience, making it a valuable addition to your community. But of course, please follow any setup instructions provided by Pika Lab to configure the bot according to your server needs. You can also do this on your mobile device if you open the Discord app from there. Now, if you encounter any problems adding Pika Labs in Discord, I suggest you go. This is the Discord support center, and from here you might wanna type in, search your questions. But of course, if you don't find the answer, you might wanna check on this option right here. Click on the help and support again. If you find the contact us option, just search for it. And from there, if you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you're having problems adding Pika Labs on your Discord account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.